Here it is, a great sunny day in spring 2023 in Binghamton, New York. I don't say that very often because we don't have a lot of sunny days, but here it is. I think it's going to be 50, maybe 60 degrees, and isn't that fabulous? I tell you, here in upstate New York, we don't get a lot of that really great weather that you guys get out west. When I lived in Colorado, it was just the greatest. But I'm here, I'm near family, my sisters, my brother, my son, Tom's family, my husband Tom's family lives nearby. My daughter lives next door with my grandkids. You can't beat it. It's the best thing in the world. This is Yvonne DeVita from Master Book Builders, and I just told you a story. It was a story about where I live, how I came to be here a little bit. But that's what life is all about. That is what we as human beings are all about. We're about stories and storytelling. And that's what Master Book Builders is all about. In this YouTube channel, you will find interviews and conversations all about writing your story, writing a book about your story. It's what we do at Master Book Builders. We help you write your story into a book everyone wants to read. I advise you to have pen and paper ready because you're going to want to take a lot of notes. The advice and the tips and the insight in these videos with these talented professionals will help you whatever you're trying to do with your book and sometimes even with your business. After all, writing a book is a business. This is Yvonne DeVita from Master Book Builders, and this is our YouTube channel. Take a lot of notes.